ulnar deviation. She has pain with ulnar deviation, right? So that's all we know right now, right? And so we know that because we used MMT. And we said, don't let me move you. And I said, don't let me move you. And she said, oh, that hurts, right? So now at this point, I'm gonna go step by step. So at this point, ulnar deviation hurts, right? So if ulnar deviation hurts, what right now is the most likely cause of her pain? Is it you can be specific too, but is it a muscle? Is it the joint? Is it a nerve? So if there's pain, those are the three things it's gonna be muscle, joint, and nerve. So is it the nerve? Probably not. Is it the joint? And if it's not the joint, why not? If it is the joint, why? If it's the muscle, same question, right? So I'm resisting ulnar deviation. Yeah, that hurts. So what is the most likely cause of her pain? You should know this. Muscle, because she's contracting, which is different than if I say, okay, relax, and I do this, and she says, oh, yeah, that bothers me, right? So if this bothers her, the more likely culprit would be joint. Now, so at this point, based on the limited information you have, if I said, don't let me move you, that hurts, she says, oh, yeah, that hurts. It has to be muscle. So now, what muscle is it? So it could be flexor carpi ulnaris, or it could be extensor carpi ulnaris. You don't know which though, right? So, because this is what the test question would look like. More importantly, this is how you should be processing it. So now I say, okay, well, don't let me move you. It hurts when she does ulnar deviation. All right, so be in this position, don't let me move you. So now I'm resisting ulnar deviation and wrist extension at the same time. She says it hurts, but it doesn't hurt as much. What's the more likely culprit?
Flexor.
Why is it wrist flexor? Why is it flexor carpi ulnaris the most likely culprit? Because there are two ulnar deviators, one that extends the wrist, one that flexes the wrist, right? And so if I resisted ulnar deviation with the wrist extension, it means that the one that flexes can't fire as much. That means that if it can't fire that much, that more than likely is the reason that she's having the pain. Similarly, if I was in this position and I said, don't let me move you, resisted wrist extension and deviation at the same time, and she's like, oh, that hurts even more. The most likely culprit then would be extensor carpi ulnaris.